I was on the phone with my client Benedict. He has had major breakthroughs. He actually started working with me because every time he had to present any report or results with his team, he got so nervous that he couldn't sleep the night before. He had so many fears. He was going to make mistakes, he thought. He was going to be fired. In those moments, his asthma was triggered. He lacked of air and ended up doing the presentation, but it was always a real nightmare for him. And he could see how this would not allow him to progress in his career. So we worked with Benedict on his imposter syndrome and all the triggers it generated. We used the breath to create a mental space for him to really see what were the thoughts and beliefs haunting him. And we started going through those thoughts and shifting them. The breath allowed him to calm his brain waves from stressed high beta into alpha, and we managed to anchor new beliefs about his capacity to show up and share. His ability to be seen and heard without feeling threatened was also, we tackle also that, being comfortable receiving attention and feedback. He learned to shift his nervous system from survival, where he thought life is a big threatening place, into possibilities, where he understood that he was safe, and when he showed up more relaxed and from his best self, he could actually gain confidence and even have fun. So neuroscience is getting more and more advanced on the research of the mind-body connection, and it is more than proven that the way you breathe has an impact on the way you think and the way you feel, and on the way you see yourself and make decisions, on the hormones you produce and the filters you use to navigate different situations in your life. We know what breathing techniques can give you more energy when you are feeling really depleted, or that can calm you when your nerves are really up. There is a lot we know now, how to make you more confident and grounded using your breath, how to reduce, for example, your asthma symptoms. Where to start? Start learning more about yourself. How are you breathing? Are you usually breathing in a way that is harming and is increasing your stress levels? Well, I created an application for your phone so you can start correcting the way you breathe today, right now, from this very moment. With the only free tools I have there, you will get to know your breathing and correct and adjust what is harming your system. You will be well prepared and in control when more stressful times come. Benedict is a great presenter now. He was telling me how he has integrated how to ground and make great presentations, take questions, co-create, and a great dynamic. Changing his limiting beliefs and using the breath was a strong combination. I just recorded the best self-affirmations to tackle that imposter syndrome. It's all in the Breathing Leap app. You can download the app here below or book a session with me, and if you are ready to reach your next level, we will do that this year. Fill the application form and we will see if we are a good fit. Have a great day.